a perfectly square formation spotted on the surface of Mars. Now, before you jump to conclusions about alien architects or secret NASA cover ups, let's take a closer look. Could this be a sign of intelligent life, or is it just another stunning example of nature's ability to trick our eyes? By the end of this episode, you'll have a better idea of how cosmic forces shape the red planet and why this discovery is both exciting and totally natural. So, here's the story. Back in 2001, NASA's Mars Global Surveyor captured an image that didn't get much attention at first, an odd square shaped feature on Mars's surface. It sat quietly in the archives until early 2025 when the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter gave us a stunning new look with its high resolution camera. This Martian square is back in the headlines. A new high resolution image captured by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter has brought it into sharper focus. And let me tell you, this thing looks precise, almost too perfect for a random rock formation. Naturally, the internet did what the internet does best: explode with theories. Some claim it's a sign of an ancient civilization. Others think it's a secret government experiment. And of course, there are those who just enjoy the idea that aliens might be into geometric architecture. But before we get too carried away, let's turn to science. Because as it turns out, Mars is full of surprises, and nature is really good at playing tricks on us. Alright, let's break this down scientifically. Planetary geologists believe that this square is the result of completely natural forces, no little green men required. Here's how it might have formed. Volcanic activity. Mars is home to some of the largest volcanoes in the solar system. Lava flows cooling and cracking over millions of years could easily create sharp edged formations. Wind erosion. The Martian atmosphere may be thin, but its winds are powerful enough to sculpt rock over time, shaping it into unexpected patterns. Temperature shifts. Mars experiences extreme temperature swings, which cause rocks to expand and contract. Over time, this leads to fracturing, and sometimes those fractures happen along straight lines. Earth has plenty of examples of this too. Ever seen the Giant's Causeway in Ireland? It's a stunning formation of hexagonal basalt columns created entirely by volcanic processes. Nature loves symmetry. It's just rare to see something so square shaped in the wild. Now, you might be wondering, okay, cool, but why is this a big deal? Well, beyond being a fun optical illusion, formations like these help scientists piece together Mars' geological history. If this structure turns out to be part of an ancient sedimentary deposit, that could mean Mars once had flowing water. And where there's water, there's always the lingering question: was there life? This is exactly why NASA's Perseverance rover is roaming the planet, why ESA's ExoMars program is gearing up for its next mission, and why Mars continues to be a focal point of space exploration. Every rock, every strange formation is another puzzle piece in understanding our cosmic neighbor. Now let's address the elephant, or should I say, the extraterrestrial in the room. Whenever something mysterious pops up on Mars, the internet loves to jump to the conclusion that it's proof of aliens. And look, I get it. The idea that ancient Martians built a giant Rubik's Cube in the desert is pretty exciting. Even Elon Musk weighed in, joking that we should send astronauts to take a closer look. But as much as I'd love that mission, there's just no solid evidence to suggest this structure is anything other than a natural phenomenon. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and so far, no Martian blueprints have been found. But what if NASA is hiding something? Ah, the classic cover up theory. Look, space agencies want to find evidence of life. They spend billions on missions specifically designed to detect it. If something truly groundbreaking were discovered, scientists would be the first to share it. But hey, if a real alien city is ever found on Mars, you can bet we'll be the first to talk about it right here on Conspiracies aside, discoveries like this bring up a bigger question. What should be our next step in exploring Mars? Should we keep relying on robots like Perseverance and Ingenuity, which can analyze the planet with high precision? Or should we push harder to send humans who can adapt and make discoveries in real time? Both options have their advantages. Robots are cheaper, safer, and don't need food or oxygen. But humans bring creativity, intuition, and the ability to improvise. Imagine an astronaut walking up to the Martian square and instantly recognizing something our rovers might miss. One thing's for sure, Mars isn't done surprising us yet. So, what do you think? Is the mysterious Martian square just a trick of nature, or is there something more to the story? Whatever the answer, one thing is clear. Our universe is full of wonders, both explained and unexplained. And whether it's a square on Mars or signals from deep space, every discovery fuels our curiosity and drives us to explore further. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep looking up.